Sure. Can you see if anything in my mouth? Well, that's you. You like checking yourself out, huh? Come here. Come here, look. Anything in there? Anything in my teeth? I feel like there's something right there. Right there, right? Thank you for cleaning. I appreciate it. What are you doing to Benny? Yes, on your nose. Yeah. What's he doing? You're being such a good sport. What are you doing to Benjamin? Is he pecking you? That means he loves you. No. You're a baby still. Not. No. I know you. I know what you're thinking. Don't give me that. That. That's Daddy's. Yeah, you go the other way. You go there. Yeah, it's just Daddy's. No, it's mine. That's right. You say no. On age.